User registration. This code is a simple user registration system that asks for a person's full name, username, whether they are user or admin. For the password, it makes sure it's strong by checking that it's at least 8 characters long and includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits, and a special characters from exclamation point, at, number sign, dollar sign, percent sign, and sign, and asterisk sign. If the password doesn't meet these rules, it keeps asking until a valid one is entered. Then it asks the user to retype the password to confirm it matches. And if not, it starts over once everything is good. It saves the user's info in a dictionary, hiding the actual password, and prints out a confirmation message showing the user's details. Essentially, it's a friendly way to ensure new users create secure accounts without crashing or letting weak passwords slip through.